morning. Glad to say I'm feeling a lot better. Thank you. So it's our first full day here today. We arrived late last night, so yeah, I am pretty tired still. So we're going to Universal Studios or maybe Islands of Adventure this morning. I just wanted to explain to you about this. So I got an attraction assistant pass from Universal Studios. So because I've got a disability, which is IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, sometimes I need to leave the line and leave all my family behind while I use the bathroom. So I found out about this the last time I came, right at the end of our stay, and so this will be the first time that I'll use this. All the rides now I don't have to queue on, and this covers me and the 3 people that I'm with on this time. So it's valid from now up until whenever I wanted it to. So we're here now for another 8 days. Valid for 4 people, so myself and the 3 others. If there's half an hour or less queue on a ride, I can go straight on. We can all go straight on together. If there's more than half an hour, they'll give me a return time. So they'll fill in this slot here and give me a return time to go back, which is normally the line time anyway. But it's only valid if I'm with the people in my party, so they can't go ahead and get on rides without me. So that's all about the attraction assistance pass. To get it, I had to have a letter off the doctor and then send that off. And if you just Google how to apply for one, the equivalent in Disney is called a DAS pass, a DAS pass. So I'm hoping to get one of those when we go to Disney in a couple of months' time. But yeah, so that should be easier for us to enjoy our day. We just used our pass on our first ride. Well, to get on the first ride, it was Hagrid's. So Hagrid's is an hour's wait, and they gave us the time for 45 minutes later. Result. While we were waiting, we just went on Jurassic Park River Adventure. I'll put the photo in now for you. Kai's the only one not with his thumbs up. He's a bit gutted about that one. We didn't tell him. And then we're going to walk back over to Hagrid's. But again, because there was a 5-minute queue, we just went straight on using the pass. I'm wondering whether we can do every ride in the park. Pandy thinks we could, so we might try and do a day where we do every ride in a park for you.
Oh, we're scared every time to come.
So we just come off Hagrid's. Hopefully we'll put the photo up now for you. We waited 20 minutes and that was in line and on the ride, so we were in and out within 20 minutes, which is amazing. And these passes can be used for any disability where you can't wait in line for long periods of time. So if you've got mobility issues as well, you could apply for one. So there you go, good. We're having a whale of a time actually. It's really good, and we've been annual pass members now for years and years, and this is our first time using it. Really good fun. So I thought I'd explain how I got my attraction assistance pass. This might not be the right way to do it, might not be the wrong way to do it, but this is how I got my pass. So I went to Universal Studios Orlando and explained my situation to one of the people who work there. They then advised me to download the IBCCES Accessibility Card app, also known as the IAC. The app looks like this. I filled in all the form on the app, and Universal Studios say this must be done at least 30 days prior to your planned visit to the park. As I was filling it in on the app, I realised that I needed a note from my doctor. So I went to my doctor and asked my doctor to write me a note explaining why I needed a pass. The doctor wrote me a note. I then uploaded it to the app, then filled in all the necessary paperwork, and then a Universal Orlando team member contacted me to discuss my request. So they rang me, we went through why I needed the pass, did a little interview thing on the phone. I explained why I needed it, and
they gave me a number, a reference number. Then the last time I visited the park, I went to customer services, told them my reference number and was given my pass. Yes, it seems very difficult, but boy was it worth it. On many occasions I've had to leave my family in line, in the queue, and pop off to the restroom. So I won't go into any more detail, but yeah, it's come in so handy not to have to queue up in the lines. So good luck if you need to apply for one, and thank you for watching.